So next on the stage, we have Glaze. Glaze is the fastest way for you to accept orders and payments. No more hardware, endless downloads, and complex setups, no more hassle. Only a simple way to glaze through your day-to-day operations while providing a beautiful, functional, and joyful user experience. Please welcome Arnþór from Glaze.
Hi everyone. My name is Arnþór and I come from a company called Glaze, and we are building a solution that we also call Glaze. And this solution is what we believe to be the fastest way to capture orders and payments for the hospitality industry. And our passion is basically to try and remove all the hindrances that are for staff to be capturing orders and things like that. So if we look at the typical operation, quite often the guests, they need to wait to be served because staff is busy collecting orders from other guests, because staff is capturing payments from other guests, and staff might even be busy fixing a printer or things like that. And this all adds to the time that it takes for customers to get served. And like I said, everything happens while your guests are waiting. And we believe that Glaze could be a piece of the puzzle to solve this issue. You can get operational excellence by allowing the customers to choose to do their own orders, to allow the customer to choose to do their own payments, and give your staff then the opportunity to focus on what they do best, and that's to serve the guests. And I'm going to break the first rule of presentation and do a live demo, so I hope you bear with me with that. I'm going to show you how you can go online and set up an order and pay solution within 30 seconds. So we go to glaze.is, where you can sign up. We press the Get Started button. Let me increase the size. And let's imagine that we are running a cafe. So we'll call it a cafe. And here we go. So now I have already got access to a new organization that we just created. When we come in here, can you see everything? Yeah. We come in here, and this is an empty organization with nothing in it. First of all, we better put some products in the organization. Let me reduce the size here a little bit. So we just use, there are 3 ways to add products. You can add single products, you can use a template, and we are working on getting standardized integrations to various systems that will come soon. So let's create a cafe. And here we have a selection of products that are sold in a cafe, but my favorite drink is missing, so I'm going to add that here. And we also have access to stock photos to ensure that things are easy to do and quick. And let's go to cost 100 kroner. All right. Then we are going to build what we call sales apps. I'm going to create one of those. Basically what we get here is like a skeleton that we just need to fill in. So let's go ahead and do that. We will have one feature product, which is the Pepsi Max that I just created. And then we will have a list of products. And that's everything else. That's added now to the app. We also want to have some information about our business, so we can add that too. So we just create a new section, call it information. And we will add the content block, text and image. We will find here cafe. A nice cafe, and then we can write something about it here. Voila. Now we have basically created an app that we can use to sell things. So I invite you to scan this QR code if you want, and you could actually go ahead and do orders on the app that we just created. So I believe this is one of the fastest way that you can actually get up and running with this kind of solution. And then I will go ahead and show you how it looks for those that didn't scan. Then we can open up the app here. Let me reduce the size again. So this is what it looks like now. You can go to the information, you can see the picture. We also support videos if you would like to add that. And I'm going to buy myself a Pepsi Max. And oh, this was not part of the demonstration. I was going to disable the login, but let's do this. And now we have the order. And we can go back, and we have an order view here that you can actually see. So quite a lot of you ordered something, and most ordered Pepsi Max, it seems, which I like. And then we have a staff view as well here where you can click in, see what was ordered, and then deliver it to the people. And we support both ordering, delivering to specific tables or rooms or things like that, or you can have an order where you call up the name and stuff like that. So that's just a configuration that you can do. So this is how it is set up very quickly. And we are going back into the, yep. But when you have added the ordering, you probably also want to be able to capture payments. Currently, we support 3 different payment providers: Stripe, Valitor, and Rapid. I know that Valitor and Rapid are the same company, but those are 2 different solutions. We actually integrated them before they merged. Öyr is on the horizon, and we have more in the pipeline. When you added payments, you probably also want to have integrations with your accounting system and maybe even the POS system that you currently have. We are currently working on integration with DECO and also with LS Central, and more than in the pipelines. So what we want to do is not to replace anything. We want to be able to put Glaze on your business as it is and just help with things as they are. There's also an option to customize the look and feel to better adhere to your branding and things like that. These are our current partners and trailblazers that are working with us to continually trying to make Glaze better. And I invite you to come and meet with us in the exhibition area and have a cupcake on us and maybe a good chat. And this QR code is for you guys to order the cupcake. So, thank you.